Hi, it's Magda here. Long time no see. This time not really much, but I decided to share my character design challenge for January, which was Bird Warrior. Here are some sketches that I did while I was looking for an idea for the team, and also trying to learn how to sketchbook, because I'm really bad at that. I always try too hard and make too much effort. So yeah, I was trying to loosen up a bit. I tried with Blue Crowned Motmot, with Golden Peasant, and also with Rufous-backed Dwarf Kingfisher. As you can see, all with beautiful rich colors, but this time I found Purple Glossing Starling most inspiring and appealing. And so, Purple Glossing Starling it is. And after doing the sketches, I switched to use Procreate, and all the process is recorded from there. So, hope you enjoy, and also hope to put another video sooner than the last time. Oh, it's been a while. Sorry. I'll try better next time. Hope to see you again, and of course, you're more than welcome to leave comments, subscribe, like, and hope to see you soon. Bye!